Explain how to set the circular knife to overcut. Let's draw a square now to test. Here you can see that there is an overcut phenomenon at both the start and end points. Let's measure the size of the overcut first. Overcut 4 mm. This is the starting point overcut value. Here is the end position. Let's measure how much the end point is overcut. The end is also 4 mm. Next, we set the system settings in the computer software. Optimization parameters. You can modify the tool here. Select pressure wheel. Here are the starting point and the ending point. Just now, the start and end of the measurement are overcut by 4 mm. Enter 4 in the two input boxes, which is 4 mm. Close current page. Re-download graphics. Test again. Let's take a look at these two. There are obvious changes. This is the phenomenon that there is no overcut. This is how overcut is adjusted.